On your first version, number 1, you had 2x plus 4 and x plus 3 equals 0. Only one way will work, okay? We need to get you straight on your factoring. Now, to check this factoring, to see if it's correct, you multiply 2x times x, and that gives you 2x squared, which is what you have here. And 4 times 3 gives you positive 12. So that's right. But what's not correct is your middle term. Your middle term is 11x. So the way you check your middle term, you multiply your insides and you get 4x. You multiply your outsides and get 6x. And then you combine those and you get 10x. And 10x is not equal to 11x, so this factoring is incorrect. In your second one, you had 2x minus 3, x minus 4 equals 0. So you get 2x times x is 2x squared. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. But your middle term is negative 3x and a negative 8x, and that gives you a negative 11x. So that doesn't work. And then on number 3, you get the 2, you had, let me see, 2x minus 4 and x minus 3. Check your middle term. Negative 4x and a negative 6x gives you a negative 10x, so that doesn't work. On number 4, you change that sign. Okay, it's supposed to be positive. Now, the way this factors, it factors into 2x x equals 0. And it should be x. 2x plus 3. I clicked a button by mistake. And x plus 4. And 2x times x is 2x squared. 3 times 4 is 12. Multiply your middle term, that gives you 3x. Outside term, 8x, and that gives you a positive 11x. Now, the other way you can double check your work, I think it takes a little bit longer, but it's perfectly fine. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. Now distribute the 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. And that gives you 2x squared plus 11x plus 12 equals 0, which is what you started with. Hope this helps. Oh no. Let me go back.